If you like wildlife mysteries, I've got one for you. This has to do with sound, so turn up your volume and listen close. This coyote just ambled by the camera. Not a big deal. He's kind of on alert, but didn't stay long. I was getting ready to discard this video, and I did watch it into its entirety, and crazy sound came in toward the end. See if you can figure it out. Now there's a little hiss or a buzz initially, followed by a whole bunch of pigs grunting. Now I'll play it again in its entirety so you can see the length and duration of the sounds. And plus I'll isolate the sound later on and run it by a bunch more times, see if I get any feedback from y'all. Sounds almost like a rattlesnake in the initial part of it, and then all you hear is the adult pigs. You don't hear any young pigs, and you don't hear any running through the brush either. Read the description below and comment.